Hi guys, today we are going to illustrate how we can sign up for Xero pre-trial and how to start accounting for our company or whatever the organization that we are going to account for. Okay, so as we discussed in our early session, I gave a brief understanding about the Xero accounting package. So this is a cloud-based accounting package. And now, as I explained to you earlier, you can just find the relevant website by just typing Xero on this search engine, and then you can navigate to this accounting software. Do business. Okay, so this is the home page of Xero accounting software. Okay, so I have shown the relevant web link for your reference in our description tab. Okay, so today what we are going to do is to register for this try Xero for free. Try Xero for free. So you can click on this, and you can enter the relevant details here so that you can register for this trial version. Actually, this is a trial version which is running for a period of 30 days. So hopefully you can gain the relevant knowledge about the Xero accounting package within this 30 days trial period. Okay, so here you have to give your first name. Okay, so I will give it as bis. Okay, so here you have to give your last name, so I will give it as tech fintech. Then you have to give your email address. Okay, I will give it as bisfintech@gmail.com. Then you have to give your mobile phone number. Okay, and you have to give your location. So in this case, I am giving my country. Then you have to give this, I am not a robot, and you have to give your phone number here. Okay, so then you have to take this the terms of the agreement, and if you need any marketing communication with regard to the Xero accounting software, then you have to keep this unticked or unchecked. But if you don't want to hear from Xero about their marketing campaigns or whatever the marketing communication, then you have to tick this. Okay, so I am keeping this blank because I expect to receive the future marketing communications that are sent by Xero accounting. Okay, so then you have to click on this next confirmation. Okay, no, I have to give my phone number. Okay, so you can enter some phone number. I just gave a hypothetical number. Okay, so we have sent an email to bispintech@gmail.com. So you have to log into your email account. Okay, and in the email account, you have to confirm your email address by clicking here. Okay, now we have to give a password. Your password needs to contain at least 8 characters, including one or more numbers. That means the password should be a combination of numbers and characters. Okay, I am giving a password for me. So you can give one of your preferred password. Okay, so I entered the password which contains characters and numbers. Okay, so now I am giving activate my account. Okay, so here I can save the password, but I don't need, so I am giving it never. Okay, so it's loading. So I will refresh it now. Okay, now here you have to give the relevant business details. Okay, now we have registered for the free trial. Now we have to give the relevant business details. Okay, so you are hopefully having a business. That's why you are going to use this Xero accounting package. So you have to enter the business details in these tabs. Okay, so the first one is business name. Okay, so I am giving a hypothetical business name or about my YouTube name, BizFintech. Okay, then you have to give the industry. What is the industry that you are in? So I am giving it as we'll say I am giving it educational service. So there is no category like that. Okay, so there are some industries listed here. No, okay, so I am giving it as accounting services. Okay, accounting practice or accounting services, whatever the industry you can give. Okay, so you can give the preferred industry. Maybe you are in a pharmaceutical company, then you have to give it pharmaceutical. Maybe you are in some sort of machine manufacturing industry, then you have to give the relevant industry. Okay, it's up to you to select the relevant industry. So here I am selecting it as accounting services. Then the country has been automatically picked because at the point of registering for the trial version I have given the country, therefore they have automatically given the they have automatically picked the country. And the last date of your financial year, by default they have taken it as 31st December. If you have a different financial year end, then you have to specify it here. So here just assume my financial year end is 31st March. If my financial year end is on 31st March, so I can change it here, last day of your financial year end. If your financial year end is on 30th September, then you have to specify it here. Since my expected financial year end is 31st March, so I have specified 31st March here. Then do you have employees? Yes, we'll say yes, because most of our companies or most of our businesses probably have one or more employees. Therefore, I think it's better to check this yes option. Then you can click on this start trial. Okay, so we have to wait until the page is loaded. Okay, now this is the overview. Okay, so here you can see you have 30 days left in your trial, which includes all features. So here this is the dashboard. Okay, so in the dashboard actually nothing can be seen because we haven't set up the dashboard. Actually I will explain you on how to set up the dashboard at the end of our discussion. Okay, before that I want to emphasize the other important facts. Dashboard is something that gives you an overview about your whole business. Uh, therefore I am not explaining how to develop the dashboard just now, but I will explain it once we have finalized our discussion about the other areas. Okay, so if you just click on this business tab, you can see short-term cash flow, business snapshot. These are also like some sort of cash flows. Then there are some sales details, invoices, codes, and sales overview. Actually this is with regard to the invoicing. As a business we need to invoice to our customers, therefore this is with regard to those invoices. And then this is regard to the bills to pay. Okay, how we are going to raise bills from our suppliers. And there are something like expense claim, products and services, pay runs, likewise those things. So this is the accounting tab. Under that, bank account is there, reports and advanced option. I will go through each by each. Then context. Under the context there are customers and suppliers. Okay, so these are the things that we need to understand with regard to the overview of the XERO. Okay, there are four tabs: dashboard, business, accounting and context. So you have to have a reasonable understanding about all those tabs. Okay, so I am taking you through each of the tab individually so that you can acquire a reasonable understanding about each of the functionality available within these tabs. Okay, so on the other hand, you can see here it's mainly related to the organization. There are files and settings, subscription and billings, projects. Like there are some additional things. For the time being we will keep it aside because the main objective is to have a basic understanding about how to account for these account for this transaction in our organization. Okay, therefore I hope you are clear about how to initially register for the trial version and how to enter the company details into this XERO accounting package. Okay, so at the end of this 30 days trial period, you can decide whether to purchase this software or not. Okay, actually this is a package, so you can subscribe it to or not depending on your requirement. If the requirement is fulfilled, then you can subscribe. If you think that this accounting package is not matching your requirement, then you don't need to purchase, you can just give it up. Okay, so I hope you are clear about how to register for this trial version. From my next video onwards, I will take you through on how to approach this accounting package from accounting perspective. Okay, so I think our initial thing about this software is fine. Then we can move on to the discussion about this each of the tabs and the functionalities available within each tab.